Welcome to Let's Talk Tech Tips, where I break down the best AI tools, video editing software, and image creation techniques to help you work smarter, not harder. I'm JD, your guide to all things tech. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. It really helps the channel grow, and I'm on a mission to reach 1,000 subscribers. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to use lip sync in CapCut. I'll also share some vital details that other content creators aren't telling you. Now let's get into it. Want to make your animated character talk using CapCut's lip sync feature? In this quick guide, I'll show you step by step how to do it and how to save your credits while you're at it. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Import the image of the character you want to animate. Make sure the character has a visible mouth, as CapCut will animate the existing one. If you are using your own pre-recorded audio, I recommend importing the audio clip first and placing it on the timeline. And make sure your video is at least as long as the audio clip. This is just a safeguard because if your video clip is shorter than your audio, you will waste time and credits having to redo it properly. So make sure your video file is as long or longer than the audio file. Now you can go ahead and remove the audio clip from the timeline, as the lip sync function will ask you to import the audio file again as part of the lip sync process. So now tap on your character's layer, scroll through the options under the video tab. I recommend selecting eye contact, as this will help engage the audience. Next, select lip sync. This opens up the voice recording or import options. When you select lip sync, you have two options. You can use a text to speech. If you choose this option, there are a range of voices to choose from. On the other hand, you can import a pre-recorded audio file. Here I'm going to upload my own audio. There are plenty of voiceover generators out there. I personally use 11 Labs. They offer free credits so you can get started or try it out. Like most of the AI resources online, if you are planning on using them a lot, you will most likely need to sign up for a plan. Once your audio is uploaded, click the save button and then click on Generate. CapCut will sync the mouth movement in the selected video clip to the voice. Heads up! Lip sync uses about 3 credits per second of audio. If you're on the free plan, credits are very limited and you will not be able to produce videos of any significant length. Even the paid plans have their limitations, with the pro plan giving you 850 credits. This sounds a lot, but if you do the math, that is still less than 5 minutes. However, you can purchase more credits and there are ways to optimize your credits. Here's how to save credits and get the most out of lip sync. Keep clips short. Only animate the essential parts. You'll notice that this video only shows me in the intro and outro. Use a generic intro and outro. Reuse them across multiple videos. Batch process voice clips. Plan your audio in one go instead of making small edits. Consider CapCut Pro if you need more credits. The Pro plan gives you 850 credits per month, and that's it. Now you know how to use CapCut's lip sync to bring your characters to life. One last thing, when using CapCut's voiceover feature, there will be a watermark. It doesn't matter if you are using the Pro version or the free version. You can choose which corner of the video to display the watermark, but you cannot choose not to have the watermark. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. I hope this video gave you some useful insights. If you want more tech tips and AI hacks, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. I drop fresh content every week, so stay tuned for more tech tips and AI hacks.